In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite guests to monday.com. Inviting guests is perfect when you want to collaborate with people outside your organization, like clients, contractors, or partners, without giving them full access to your entire account. Guests see only what you choose to share with them, which keeps your workspace clean and secure. Start by opening your browser and heading to monday.com. In the top right corner, click Login and sign into your account. Once you're in, look toward the upper right of the screen for the invite icon. Depending on your layout, it may look like a person with a plus sign or simply say invite. Click that to open the invite window. Here you'll see a few ways to bring people in. If your team uses Google Workspace, you can invite guests directly from your Google contacts. Choosing this option will prompt you to connect your account, and once authorized, you can pick contacts without manually typing their emails. It's a convenient way to avoid typos and keep invites organized. If you prefer to enter addresses yourself, type the guest's email in the email field. You can add more than one guest by separating addresses with commas. Double check the spelling to make sure your invitation lands in the right inbox. Next, choose the permission level. For guest collaboration, select Viewer. This grants read-only access, which means your guests can open boards, look through items, and stay informed, but they won't be able to make changes. Viewer is a great default for clients or anyone who should see progress without editing anything. If you see other roles available, keep in mind those typically allow editing or broader access. Use them only if your workflow truly requires it. When everything looks good, click Invite to send the email. Your guest will receive a message with a secure link to join. Once they accept, they'll only see the specific boards or workspaces you've shared with them, not your entire account. That's the advantage of inviting guests. You maintain control over visibility at all times. A quick tip: if you don't see the invite option, you may not have permission to add guests, or your plan might limit guest access. In that case, check with your account admin, and if you ever need to adjust access later, you can return to the same invite area to review or update permissions. That's it. Open monday.com, log in, use the invite icon, optionally import from Google Workspace, enter the email, choose Viewer, and send the invite. Happy collaborating.